Hey, but I do want to touch on this though. What's the next step for the 49ers? I'm just wondering, you get what I'm saying? Because I find it very, very weird how they just took a huge downfall, bro. Like they was just a Super Bowl team. They still a great team, but they ain't got no weapons to me, bro. Ask yourself this: is Warren Jennings really enough? You get what I'm saying? Did they need Brandon Ayuk to win the game? Would that have made a difference? I don't know. I think not. So yeah. Let me know, man. Comment in the comment section, man. Turn me up, man.